The citric acid cycle, or the Krebs cycle. Before we get to the Krebs cycle, we start with glucose, a 6-carbon molecule. This molecule is split into 2 pyruvate molecules, 3 carbon molecules, through the process of glycolysis. The pyruvate then goes through oxidation and becomes acetyl-CoA. With acetyl-CoA, we can now go through the Krebs cycle. This goes through one of the pyruvate, so for each molecule of glucose, this will actually be doubled. The acetyl-CoA bonds with oxaloacetate and becomes citrate through citrate synthesis reaction, and then the citrate is catalyzed through aconitase and becomes isocitrate. The isocitrate releases a CO2 molecule, and we have the NAD plus reducing to NADH. The isocitrate dehydrogenates, then becomes alpha-ketoglutarate, where it is oxidizes and another CO2 molecule is released. The NAD plus reduces again to an NADH and picks up a CoA molecule. The alpha-ketoglutarate then dehydrogenates, becomes succinyl-CoA. That succinyl-CoA becomes succinate through succinyl-CoA synthetase. In this reaction, phosphate joins with GDP and becomes GTP. That GTP releases its phosphate and offers it to the ADP molecule, and we get an ATP molecule of energy. That succinate reacts with dehydrogenates and becomes fumarate. We have an FAD turning into an FADH2. In the fumarate, water is added and reacts through fumarase to make malate. That malate, we get another reduction of NAD plus to NADH, and the malate dehydrogenates, then goes back to oxaloacetate, and this is where the cycle begins, and we repeat the cycle. This is where I got my information from. Thank you.